Hey everyone, Tony G here. So in today's video, in this next series, we're going to be doing a percussion massage upper extremity release series, okay? Now in this series, we're going to be covering the upper trap, levator scap, pec, bicep, tricep, lat, and even some of the rhomboid area, okay? Now, it's important to understand that you want to release and loosen up these musculatures because often, due to dysfunctional posture, we're on our cell phones, we're typing like this, or we're looking at our phones, there can be dysfunction through the body. This musculature tends to get very, very tense, overactive, and a percussion massage gun is a really good way of releasing the musculature. Now, if you release these muscles, it's important to make sure that you're also activating certain muscles, which I may do in a different video depending on the feedback that I get. Now, you will notice that we're not in the clinical setting. Now, this is important to me because you have to understand Resistance Reset was designed at home, okay? All too often, I will have clients and patients and all sorts of people tell me, hey, I can't do this, I don't have access to a gym. To me, this is complete BS. You can do anything, anywhere, okay? It's your health. You have to take it into your hands, be it at the gym or be it at home, be it outside, anywhere, okay? Fitness and health is so important to everybody, and no one's going to take care of you the way that you can, okay? So let me show you how, okay? Now, in this series, you will need a massage gun, and if you do care to follow along, this is going to be a step-by-step on how to use these guns, things you want to look out for, things you don't want to look out for, okay? As always, if you are using these massage guns and you get numbness, tingling, dizziness, nausea, stop. This is a medical emergency, perhaps. You don't want to continue doing that. You should actually go see a medical provider to have yourself checked out to make sure that everything's okay. If we've cleared all that, then what we can do is we can progress onto the next part of this, okay? Now, typically, when you are first using a percussion massage gun, there are a few rules that I like to say. Always start out slow. Don't go too crazy. Now, when it comes to these guns, you want to realize that this is a machine like any other, okay? If you use this inappropriately, it can hurt you, okay? So this is my warning. However, if you're using them appropriately, they can actually serve for quite some benefit and actually help you, especially in your fitness goal and journey. Keeping that in mind, I don't really have a preference as to what brand. I tend to use these little mini ones because they're much easier to carry. The percussion is not as strong. I have used higher up name brands such as Hypervolt that it can be rather intense. For the higher athletic population, they're great. However, for someone who's first starting out, the percussion can be a little bit intense. Something you can work toward. Not saying that if you have these guns you can't use them, because you can. Just saying that maybe you want to go something a little bit cheaper, especially the price on some of these guns, $200, $300, $400 sometimes, as compared to some of these cheaper ones that tend to be in the $60 ranges. Stay tuned. I will be presenting a link at some point for my own brand version of this gun as well. That's a different story. So, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the videos to come. As always, everyone, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the inside, okay?